find something that works for you. Find a system that works for you. Just like understand how you work. Because I can tell you all the different things that work for me and that I enjoy, but maybe you're a different kind of a learner, you are a different kind of a planner, different person, totally cool. As long as you have something that works for you, that you've discovered for yourself, that's what I care about. So for me, not too long ago, about a year ago, I bought this tablet over here. Love it. It's a Samsung Tab S6 Lite, under $300, and it's a very good tablet. It performs very well, for the level of specs that it has and for the price that I paid for it. And what I realized is I really enjoy having a planner, So I found a template that essentially mimics a planner that I used to have back in primary school, middle school, high school. It has the week kind of broken down. And I actually enjoy the process of writing things down with my own hands, as opposed to having it all just in the calendar. Because guess what? In the calendar, whenever you have something in the calendar, yes, you know that you have a class happening on Monday or Wednesday, but it's not very easy to see if there's like all these different things happening on a Monday. How do I know that for this 9:35 class, like what's the reading that's assigned to it? Yeah? I mean, I know that it's I can insert notes into each calendar entry, but I have to click on that to see the notes. And in the notes, supposedly, I would put the readings. With the student calendar, this is all I use it for. Just homework stuff, homework assignments, to see how much is due and like what weight I should be putting in this week for this class or that other class. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you've learned something, if any of these are new to you, if you are already using any of these things. Still, let me know. I would love to hear what's working for you. And if you are using some of these things, like maybe you can share some additional things, like some advanced techniques with the world. Don't be shy. Leave a comment below. I'll respond. I will. Seriously. So, I'll talk to you later. Take care of yourself.